Hello everybody. Hello our kids and grandchildren in the future. Today we are going to the Calao Cave. Wow, that's a beautiful place. I love nature. Nature is like a source of happiness to me.
I love the air.
Oh, dump truck is here also. Alright.
Look at that.
Look at the students.
The students are painting the walls. They're making art. Sabi, maybe in the future.
Covered by the trees.
Per syllable.
Patagwaleg.
Yan, ganyan.
Patagwaleg. Barangay Patagwaleg.
Yan, ganun. Ito yung sinasabi ko ibang bangka.
Pwede tayong bumaba dyan, parting na lang yung view.
Pwede naman siya.
Go down.
We're gonna go down also. U-turn na. Okay.
No.
Guys,
No.
we're gonna go down.
Pangit na naman yung ilog.
This is so pretty. You over here.
Pwede tayong bumaba dyan ng konti. Titinan na natin
You
ito.
over here so pretty.
Bridge. Smart.
You're smart. Hey, look at that.
This is a beautiful place.
Ay.
Truck.
Yan.
Look at that mountain over there. Over there. So nice.
Alright, so we are here now. Sefrine and Shane. Sefrine, look at mommy. You have to put your Shane. Okay. Not yet. Look at the explorer here. Yes, the kids. Pero kami mag-asawa, dito kami nag-date nung magjawa pa kami 10 years ago. Yes! 10 years ago.
Some tourists po, they pronounce it Calao tsaka yung Calao po. When we say Calao po kasi that's the bird or with the Calao bird po. Kung napapansin niyo po yung malaking statue dun sa harap po natin ng ibon, that's the Calao bird. Yung second pronunciation nila which is yung Callao. Callao po is Spanish word po yun ang ibig sabihin. Peaceful or quiet place po siya. Yung correct pronunciation natin it's Calao Cave po.
Calao.
Cal tsaka Lao po. Tinawag po siyang Calao Cave kasi yung tribe namin dito iba na ginatawis. Every 15 to 20 steps lang.
Alright.
Part na kailangan yung mag-crawl sa mud. Pero it's up to you naman kung gusto nyo mag-exit or balik sa entrance na lang.
Oh, okay.
Rest muna kayo mag-then later po. I-shoot ko yung finish ng tao. Rest muna. Wherein yung mga saliva po nila, yun po yung ginagawang nest nila. Yes po sir, ang ginagawang soup, yung nido soup po natin. On this part po of the excavation area, dito po nilang nahukay yung bagong pinakamatandang buto ng kaso.
Ay, buto!
Yes po, human bone.
Say, they found a human bones.
Skeleton.
Not rhinoceros.
Yung bone po natin year 2019, 67,000 years ago.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, totoo yan? Tara, I'm talking to you. Look at that.
Look at the hole. Look at the hole natin.
Go to daddy.
Divine room po yung tawag pa dito.
Divine room.
Because of the chapel po. Eh, before pandemic, may mas mismong gitna po.
Oo. Tara. Let's go.
We have here the cavers. That's so cool, Shane. Can I see Shane? Where's Sephrin? Oh my. This is called caving. Oh.
Doon yung third chamber po natin. There are some bats din po kahit dito.
Oh, okay.
Yung tawag din sa mga bats dito, insect eating bats.
Up there, oh. How did God created that?
Let's go.
Look at that. Look at the roof, Senki. The dinosaurs. Oh my goodness, Senki. I think these are the bones of the dinosaur, T-Rex or something. Oh, Senki, oh. Look at that. Those are the... What's that?
Rock.
Then, try nyo pang ilawan yung taas. May mga bats tayo.
Ah, okay. So, video of the bats. So that the bat, you can remember this day that you saw this bats over there. Oh, look at that.
Ganda oh.
That's green.
Oh, yeah.
Careful lang po tayo.
Careful because there are some dinosaur bones. The dinosaurs actually like died inside here.
Then if you want pa, I'll take a picture here po.
Ay, oo nga, oo nga.
Anong chamber to?
Fourth po.
Fourth.
This is the
Then move kayo dito pa. Picture pa kayo.
Oh, picture.
Look at the bones of the dinosaurs here. What? Really see that? Can that one? That's the bone of the dinosaur. It's like the house of Simba.
Mommy.
Oh, that's a good way to carry it.